Welcome back, socialites, and if you're new, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to be trying on 6 of the new Maybelline Serum lipsticks. Now, this formula is infused with hyaluronic acid, and they have 2 finishes. So they have matte finish, which comes in the gray packaging, and they have satin finish that comes in this sort of light pink packaging. Now, I did pick mine up before they launched officially on TikTok Shop, but I think they're available like everywhere that you can get Maybelline lipsticks at this point. So I'll link it on the YouTube shopping tab in case you guys are interested, and let's jump right into it. I think the packaging is really cute, the way they have half of Maybelline written on one side and the other half of the name on the other side, an E on the tip, so unique. And then they have the color on the opposite end to make it easier. So that's really nice. And we're gonna start off with the shade Crop Top, 001 Crop Top. So this is 001 Crop Top, which is a matte formula. It looks almost like suede on the outside, so let's see how it applies. Really creamy and smooth. Taking my Milani lip liner in Rich Cocoa, let's see how it looks with the brown liner. Next shade is a satin finish called Maybe It's Soft. This one is even more creamy than the matte texture. It's almost like you want to keep applying it because it just feels that creamy, almost like a lip balm. I would actually wear this without a liner. Again, adding Milani's lip liner in Rich Cocoa. I think I might like this shade even better than the first shade. Number 3 is Scuse Me, which is a matte finish. Ooh, this is pretty. So this one's a little bit deeper than the last one and a little less warm. This one's really pretty too, and I would be comfortable wearing this one without a liner. I think this one really complements my skin tone. So I'm gonna go a little bit deeper with the liner. This is the NYX Line Loud lip liner in the shade Rebel Kind. I can't get over how comfortable these are. Especially a matte. You know, matte sometimes can feel a little dry on the lip, not go on as smooth. One thing about these matte serum lip liners is they don't dry all the way down like the typical matte lipstick does. So I think that's the hyaluronic acid that's in the formula. Scuse Me is really pretty too. Okay, y'all, so moving on to another satin finish. This one is called Out Till 4. And this shade is Out Till 4. And this one's the last one, which is Scuse Me. I felt like they looked a little similar, but Scuse Me is a little deeper. Obviously, the finish is different too. Out Till 4 is a little bit more cool tone. It pulls slightly like a grayish mauve on me. Back in with my NYX lip liner in Rebel Kind. Now this one I actually like a little better with a lip liner. Next up is Speed Walk, which is a satin formula. Do you guys remember the original Photo lipstick from MAC? This sort of reminds me of it. Maybe Photo was a little bit more brown than this though. This is like a lipstick version of a Night Moth from MAC. I suppose you could put a lip liner with this one, something really dark, like maybe like Night Moth. You could even do a black liner, but I would honestly feel comfortable wearing this without a liner. Last is another matte finish. This one's a beautiful red called Wild Card. Just in a bullet, y'all, this looks stunning. Like they look like they're covered in velvet, but applying it is so creamy, you know, so it's something unique. It's a blue based red, y'all, so this is gonna look good on every skin tone. Honestly, I'd be okay wearing Wild Card by itself, but I could also wear like a dark wine color, like again, MAC's Night Moth would be perfect with this, or just something like a dark burgundy or dark wine color. To make it a little bit more modern, I could also pair it with a deep dark brown, kind of like the Rebel Kind from NYX. So I'm gonna pair a little bit of the dark brown. So this is it with a dark brown liner, and I think it is absolutely beautiful and right on time for the holiday season, even though to me red is universal year round, you know? So this was fun. I hadn't done a lipstick try on in a very long time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below, let me know which color was your favorite. I'll have them linked on the YouTube shopping tab for your convenience or down in the description box. And if you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.